Hello everyone, today I want to show my website to you. You can see the logo here, Zero. I call the website Zero because I think zero is the start of everything, and art is instinct of human beings. So that sometimes power of art is more than words. I want my users will raise their understanding of art when using this website. When I refresh the website, you can see the animation of changing colors on the top of my homepage. And this is my slogan, enjoy art from zero. This is my search bar and this is my account icon. This page is my homepage. When going down, you can see a big image here. And this is the recent shows parts. There are 4 different shows here. First one is in London, second is in Paris, third one is in Beijing, the last one is in New York. And when I want to view more, I need to click this picture and then I go to the Van Gogh Museum. This picture is about the Van Gogh Museum and you can click here to get tickets. Under it is the brief introduction of the museum. And the last part of the page is the footer. It's about us, contact us, join us, and you can see some brief introduction here. The last one is the Zero logo that I rotated into 180 degrees to make it look more interesting. Then when going to the homepage, I can click the logo here. The second part of my website is about. This introduces 2 main functions of my website, which is provide photo library and share comments with artists. When going down, I can see the first image slide shows that is the art museums that my virtual company cooperated. The second slide shows the users are sharing comments with each other, and everyone can be an artist. The last part is the footer. Then comes to the third part of my website, artworks. You can see the big slide shows here. It says the recent shows. And then I divided all the artworks into some categories. This is art, calligraphy, installation, painting, sculpture, and other. This is all the high quality images I collected here. You can see each image has a comment button, and when you click the comment button, you can see the comments here. First comment is amazing, the second is love it, the third is where is it? You can reply to each of the comments. For example, when you want to reply to the first one, just click here and say something and submit. If you want to reply to the second comment, you can click there. And you can see the white space and the first comment is being flooded because I want to save the space of my screen. When you click the third reply, you can see the second and first comments are flooded. Also, each page should be commented and replied. The fourth part of my website is a book. I list all the bestseller books here as a table. You can see the rank, title, show, image of book covers, and month of sale, so that my users can decide which one to buy. The last part is the footer as well. The fourth part is the contact. This is the image of my virtual company, and this is contact us. When you fill in the contact form, I think our friendly staff will ready to help you. You can fill in your name, your email, and message here. When you fill in it, you can click the send button. And this is my contact page. Last page is account. This is the user's page. You can see the user's name, location, and his or her job interest here. The comments has 10 and the followers has 20. This is files he or she upload. This is a video from YouTube about visiting the Metropolitan Museum. And if you want to upload more images, you can click here so that all files will go down. You can choose each of it and open. The search button you can click here so that you can go to the artwork page to see if you need some image, and this is count button. Also, if you want to learn more about my website, you can click here about school, and you can see my course here. And also, I have a hamburger menu that when you smaller website, you can see the icon here. When you click, each part will show. Also, I want to share 3 very interesting codes to you. The first one is homepage about the recent shows. Using my index HTML that I call selection part 2 and add the class grid, figure, and the caption of the figure, so that in the beginning the caption will not show, but when I hover it, the caption will show because I changed the translation 3D about its position. And then the second one is about the artwork. The big slideshow here. You can see I add 3 images here about their link, and then I change the animation delay times about each of this so that the 3 images will show in order and in regular minutes. Then the last thing, very interesting part, is the comments. Also in the artwork page, to make the comments function come true, I need to make the drop-down function first. So I divide the class named write class, add an input checkbox and label, so that you can see the comment button here. And then I use the JavaScript, use a function about the reply button, that when you click the reply button, the textures above it will remove, and will append a new space of white space and submit button. So I think it's very interesting. That's all about my web page. Thank you.